Cloud IDEs are transforming the way WordPress teams build, test, and ship. In 2026, moving beyond local environments isn't just a trend, it's a competitive advantage. In this video, we'll explore how cloud-based development is making WordPress workflows faster, more consistent, and built for scale. Let's start by looking at the problem. Local development setups are chaotic. Every developer has a different machine, a different configuration, and a different set of problems. Inconsistent environments lead to the classic "it works on my machine" nightmare. As teams grow, onboarding new developers becomes a resource drain, and maintaining parity between local and production environments is a constant uphill battle. The cloud offers a better way, a unified environment that every team member connects to every time. So what exactly is a cloud IDE? It's a fully browser-based development environment where your code, database, and WordPress installation all live in the cloud. Instead of installing tools locally, developers open a browser, connect to their environment, and start building immediately. Key components include cloud-hosted infrastructure, a browser-based code editor, a live WordPress instance, and a database, all managed and accessible from anywhere. There are 5 key benefits that make cloud IDEs a game changer for WordPress teams. First, faster onboarding. New developers get a fully configured environment in minutes, not days. Second, consistent environments mean no more configuration drift between team members. Third, isolated feature branches allow developers to work on new features without affecting the main code base. Fourth, easier client reviews. Share a live preview link instead of setting up a staging server. And fifth, less hardware dependency. Your development power comes from the cloud, not your laptop. Not all cloud IDEs are created equal. When evaluating options for your WordPress team, there are 6 key criteria to consider. Look for native WordPress support, collaboration features, integration with your existing Git workflow, performance and reliability, security controls, and pricing that scales with your team. The right tool will check all these boxes while fitting naturally into how your team already works. DevPanel is purpose-built to connect your cloud IDE to the entire WordPress lifecycle. From local development all the way through to production, DevPanel provides a unified workflow with built-in automation, security controls, and team collaboration tools. It's designed specifically for WordPress agencies and development teams who need reliable, scalable infrastructure without the overhead of managing it themselves. GitHub Codespaces brings cloud development directly into the GitHub ecosystem. If your team already uses GitHub for version control, Codespaces lets you spin up a fully configured development environment straight from any repository. Key features include deep GitHub integration, a browser-based VS Code experience, and support for dev containers. The workflow is straightforward. Open a repo, launch a Codespace, and start coding. The main limitation to consider is cost at scale, but for GitHub native teams, it's a powerful and familiar option. Codeanywhere offers one-click WordPress setup with an emphasis on instant collaboration. It brings a browser-based VS Code experience with fast deployment capabilities and strong real-time collaboration tools. Teams can share environments, review code together, and hand off work seamlessly. If your team values speed of setup and collaborative development, Codeanywhere is worth serious consideration. ONA takes cloud development a step further by integrating AI coding agents directly into the workflow. With pre-built environments optimized for WordPress, ONA enables concurrent development. Multiple team members can work in parallel without stepping on each other's changes. It's particularly well suited for teams building complex plugins or custom themes who want to accelerate their development cycle with AI assistance. For teams that require complete infrastructure control, there are enterprise-grade cloud IDE solutions built around security and governance. These platforms give your team full control over the underlying infrastructure, meeting strict compliance requirements while still delivering the productivity benefits of cloud development. They're ideal for agencies managing client environments with high security demands or regulated industries where data sovereignty is non-negotiable. Demon your cloud IDE wisely. Whether you're a solo developer looking to simplify your setup or a growing agency managing dozens of client environments, the right cloud IDE will transform how your team builds on WordPress. Evaluate your specific needs against the criteria we've covered, and don't be afraid to trial multiple options before committing. The future of WordPress development is in the cloud. Faster setup, consistent environments, better collaboration, and more powerful tooling are all within reach. As the ecosystem continues to mature in 2026 and beyond, teams that embrace cloud IDEs will build faster, ship with more confidence, and spend less time fighting their tools. Ready to make the switch? Start by identifying your team's biggest pain points in your current local workflow. Then evaluate the tools we've covered today: DevPanel, GitHub Codespaces, Codeanywhere, ONA, and enterprise solutions against your requirements. The right cloud IDE is out there, and it's ready to transform your WordPress development today.